You're welcome back.
Uh,
Okay.
okay, good.
Okay, so we're just going to continue. So I was just briefing you on the course before you get started and what you'll be seeing the course and what you should expect and the fact that you need to take action as you're watching the course, not after watching the course. Like when you're watching the course, you need to take action. You need to plan out what to do and actually take action and ask questions. You need to ask questions on the things you don't understand, things you don't get to master. You ask questions and you take action. So I was trying to give an
Okay,
example. I was trying to give an example on the different niches you're going to be able to choose. So blogging is really easy if you know what to do, if you're doing it rightly. So there is always the temptation of trying to make money from blogging overnight and forgetting the long term blogging. So if at the end of the day you choose, uh, let me just give an example. Most of the most of the blogs that are like they are not focused on any specific niche, they don't really have weight on the internet. They don't really have weight, and they don't really have sustainable amount of traffic. So another thing too you need to take into consideration is that traffic does not equate uh, money automatically. It depends now on your monetization strategy. So you need to learn monetization.
seriously?
Traffic does not automatically equate money.
Even in blogging?
Let me explain what I mean. I don't know how to put those words,
Okay,
but there are two things that help you make money online: content and traffic.
yeah,
There are two things that make you
yeah,
help you to make money online: content and traffic. So you need to increase in your quality production of content, increase in your quality production of content, and increase in your
yeah.
volume of traffic, and then you can monetize that. But what I'm
Okay,
trying to say is that I can have 1,000 views and you have 10,000 views, and I make more money than you. That's what I'm trying to make. That's the statement I'm trying to make.
okay, okay.
I'm
I get
trying to
it
say
now.
somebody can have 10,000 views and another person has 1,000 views, but the person with the 1,000 views makes more money than the person with 10,000 views.
Okay, I get it.
If we agree that the three main methods of monetization online are: one, selling your products and services and skills by yourself, which is the number one way; number two, affiliate marketing; number three, CPC marketing like AdSense, Google AdSense, that everybody thinks about when they think of blogging. We know that if I sell my services directly, I'm probably going to make more money than affiliate marketing, which is actually selling another person's service and getting a commission.
Yeah,
And if I do cost per click marketing like AdSense takes the giant share and gives me crumbs. Like advertisers pay huge sum of money, people buy products, and then I get just a little bit of money. So at the end of the day, the first one is like the best way to monetize, but not everybody has that option. Not everybody has
yeah,
products they
I
have
get it.
created, and not everybody knows how to use affiliate marketing. So that's where I say, okay, if I have a blog that has just 200 page views per month, I mean per day, 200 page views per day, and the blog is centered around a specific niche, and I know how to monetize it, I can actually make more money from it than somebody who has 2,000 page views per day, and the 2,000 page views make him less than $5 per day, less than €5 per day. So I'm probably going to make more money than that person. So let's take a concrete example. We'll take an example like somebody who has a blog and he's blogging about celebrities, and he has
Yeah,
a thousand page views per day, and the traffic is from Cameroon. So we already have a problem there. The traffic has low cost per click because it's from Cameroon, it's not from the US. And
yeah,
the topic in question, the keyword in question is a low cost per click keyword, is celebrity gossip. It's a low cost per click keyword. This is different from somebody who has a keyword like health, finance, wealth, and then medicine and so on. Somebody who has a very advanced keyword. from people who really have a higher buyer potential and from maybe the United States traffic. It's going to have a high cost per click and it's likely to make more money. That's why I said traffic does not automatically equate more money. So there's a difference with traffic. There is quality traffic, there is high quality traffic, and there is low quality traffic. And traffic does not also equate money because, excuse me, it depends on your ability to monetize the traffic. If you don't know how to monetize the traffic, you may not make money from it. And as you are going to see in the course, you realize that I've changed the way I do blogging. I have multiple blogs, so many blogs. So there are blogs where I do seasonal blogging from it. Like blogs that are monetized with Google AdSense, I do seasonal blogging. And if you're a new blogger and you're working with me, there is no way you can spend a year without making money from your blog. If you have AdSense monetization, for example. Let me just give an example of what I'm saying. You can make money without ranking on Google.
Seriously?
Yes. And it's from seasonal. There are seasonal things that you can make money from it. Okay.
Without ranking on Google?
Yes. Let me just give you a backstory. That will help you understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I started blogging in 2015. You're going to see the same story in the backstory. You see it in the course. I started blogging in 2015, and for 2 years I couldn't make any money. I actually started with a free platform, blogspot.com, and for 2 years I couldn't really make real money because I didn't have a mentor. I was doing everything wrongly. I was doing it wrong. I was doing a lot of wrong things. So I was putting a lot of work, but I was not getting results. And I was everywhere at the same time. So I actually started with 2 blogs at the same time. moneymastertutorials.com and voiceofthemillion.com.
Yeah.
And voiceofthemillion.com was on spirituality. Money Master Tutorials was on a very funny topic. It was on financial wisdom. Like the kind of wisdom we are talking about in the Bible. So at the end of the day, Voice of the Million narrowed down to be about helping other people create their own blog, making money online, traffic generation, things I learned in my struggle. I started sharing them. I learned something, I shared. And then I started having an audience because when you have an audience that understands, like an audience that can identify with you is a good audience. An audience that could say, okay, this guy came from an arts background, but he's not a good tech guy. How did he get there? I can also get there as well. This guy, he didn't know A or Z from blogging. Today he knows something. I can also learn from him. So people started connecting with me. People wanted to meet with me. People started calling me, mentor me, help me, and so on. That's when I realized that, it means I can monetize this skill. It means I can teach web design. It means I can teach blogging. It means I can teach affiliate marketing from my small earnings that I could have back then. But that's not what I want to share. I want to share the fact that in November 2017, there was a miracle. Like I left the house because at that time I had difficulty. I didn't know SEO so well, so I wasn't ranking on Google. So I was depending on Facebook. And Facebook was different from the one we have today. It's not the same Facebook we have today. Back then, you could create a Facebook page on a celebrity and grow to 30,000 likes in a month, in 30 days. I will grow to 60,000 likes on that page in a month. And there was no restriction. Like today, if you try that, they're going to ban the page in no time. So I went out there, created a fan page for Robert Mugabe, and started posting Robert Mugabe quotes there. It grew to 60,000. I created a fan page for Prophet Shepherd Bushiri. It grew to 30,000. I created a fan page for Mary Bushiri. I look at the most popular, the most followed man of God online. I created a fan page on it.
Yeah.
And then I was blogging on voiceofdominion.com. And then I was blogging on that. And then one day I shared one of my posts from Voice of Dominion to one of those pages. And it went viral. And I realized that I made 15 euro in a day. And I'm refreshing my dashboard and I see it goes to 45 euro in a day. and I'm walking around Douala with my uncle. We are strolling and so on. I'm like, I'm not walking.
Yeah.
Money is turning, and so I'm like, what is happening? So I come back home and I look at the strategy I use and I do reverse engineering and I apply the same thing to multiple pages, multiple Facebook groups, and I start making money with it. And within the period of 4-5 months, Voice of Dominion alone made €2,000. I mean, we're talking of
Wow.
we're talking of somebody who is a student or who is a teacher who is teaching in secondary school, and his pay package is probably 80,000 to 120, and he suddenly has a check of 300,000 coming from Google, 200,000 coming from Google, 150 coming from Google. So I'm like, what? And I make the worst mistake that beginners make. You take all the money, you spend it, and you think it's going to keep coming, and then Facebook updates the algorithm and everything crashes. So that's what I wanted you to understand, that you can actually make money from Facebook. And let me give you one way you can make money from Facebook, and one topic you can make money from Facebook. That we make money from Facebook every single year. We have gotten to a point where we focus more on other blogs, like branded blogs, not blogs that get money from Facebook or from necessarily from AdSense. Like,
Yeah.
we make more money from affiliate marketing and from selling of our services than we make money from AdSense. Because if I'm to focus on AdSense, I'll probably be making $10 per day, $20, $15, $5, which is going to be wasting my time. So I look at myself
Yeah.
and say, okay, in a month I can have 3 web design jobs, and the 3 web design jobs could bring me 500k. I could have 1 training, the training will bring me 300k. I could have 5 trainings, I could have this, I could have that. And I'm like, why waste my time with AdSense, which is just cents? Okay, but I'm not saying
Yeah.
you should not spend time with the cents. Everybody who is starting out should start with the cents. The cents motivate you. When you refresh your phone in the evening like this and you see €2, you are like, wow, it's good. It motivates you. You keep creating content. You refresh it the next day, you see €5. It motivates you, like you know that, okay, you have an audience, and then you can monetize it at least at that basic level.